All right, it's your boy Certified, and I'm back with some more sauce. All right, now if y'all remember, I made that headliner for my truck with the sunroof cutout, and I told y'all I was gonna look at OEM. Well, today I'm gonna wrap it. I didn't find the material that I wanted, but I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap it, and then I'll go back. I'll buy some suede without the foam because that's all they have at Hobby Lobby. They don't have the one with the foam, and I don't want to order it, and I'll just wrap it again. But at least it already have the foam on there and it'll be ready. Or there's an option I can spray paint it. They have like a spray paint for material, which I doubt I'll do that. But unless I don't find the exact color, the spray paint is more of the color that I want. But we'll figure that out when it's time. So I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna install it. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna take it back out when I wrap it again purple. I'm gonna stick it back in, and then when I decide, if I decide to do the starlights, I'm gonna take it out again, and I'm gonna do the starlights, and I'm gonna put it back in again. Oh yeah, and I'm forgetting the dome light. I might add some dome lights in there, so I might end up taking it out again. I'm gonna take it out at least 2 to 3 times, depending on what I'm gonna do and when I'm gonna do it. But that's just to show you that you can take it out. It's not like them, what they call a floating headliner, that the center's cut out, you wrap it, you put a board around the headliner, you put glue, you push it up, and then, you know, it'll glue itself or whatever. Or you can glue it straight to the sunroof, but those, if you want to take them out, you're going to ruin it. So you're going to have to do it again every time you take it out. So if your sunroof messes up or a wiring issue or whatever, you can kiss that headliner goodbye. Not this one. All right, if I need to fix it or do anything, I can take it out, no problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue half, and then I'm going to glue the fabric. I'm going to start pulling it. That I have no wrinkles. I'm going to fold over the other side. Do the same to the other side. Let it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to start cutting out the holes. If it's dry enough, I might go ahead and put it in. Just to show you the final result. But my main goal is I just want you to see what the headliner is going to look like with the fabric and show you that even though it's got pits here and there, you're not going to be able to see it. All right. So I will, after I do this side, I will do a close-up on the other side right before I start gluing it and throw it over. But that way I can show you a video of this side already glued down to where there's no pits. And then I do the other side and I'll show a video of the final result. Not gonna lie, I was even thinking of maybe modifying it, doing some speakers up top, but I'm not a real system guy and I don't want to do more. I'd rather do like a, what they call it, a titty panel or whatever, or maybe even a center console. I'm thinking about that, thinking about going buckets and doing a center console to go all the way to the dash. I don't know, but we'll see.
Whose headliner is this?
Mine. No?
The base.
It's just I got a little excited y la cosa se me pegó aquí. So I didn't, like I can't really pull it back because I'm gonna fuck up the phone, but it's good enough. Cause I'm gonna rewrap it. I'm gonna put the purple over it. Cause they don't have the one with the foam here. And I don't want to order it because it's like $20 to full of shipping. See what I'm saying? So, I mean, I have to have the foam regardless because of the, you know, and shit. So. give a food. Alright, I'm gonna do the other half right quick. And then, I'll time lapse it and then, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the other half and then I'll do a little video on what it looks like wrapped. And then I'll wait a little bit and I'll stick it in the truck and then take another video. And then I'll take another video of me pulling it out another day. All right guys, that's what it ultimately looks like. I did mess up right there because it wrinkled on me. I accidentally laid it down and it did wrinkle. But overall, I mean, it does look good. Mainly, I just wanted y'all to see what the actual molding looks like on it. It does already have the ring. I already set the ring on there that goes around the sunroof opening. Now this one, you know, this bezel also holds up the headliner to the sunroof, you know, so it's not gonna sag in the middle or anything. You can get more into detail, like I said, molding it. It would have came out even nicer if I would have did away with this, which I think it gives a little bit more character also. But it would have, to me, it would have looked nicer, or maybe not nicer, just, I don't know, because the Rams have that. I guess, I don't know what to think about that. But you know, like right here, if you mold it more rounded, I mean, it looks a little bit better, because it'll look like right here, you know. But if you remember, this is where I filled it in, and look, you know, but you know, that's as good as it's gonna get. I mean, you know, the more time you put in it, the better it's gonna look. Once I put the purple on there, it's gonna look even better, which I'm kind of liking it like that. I might not even do the purple on it. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and set this in the truck right now, just so y'all can see what it looks like installed. Don't really want to wait till tomorrow, but there it is. I think it looks great. All right guys, here we go. Let me show y'all what the final product looks like. There it is, perfect fitment, whole lines up perfect. I can't complain. I gotta install the sun visors and the little sun visor holders. That's it, but I don't even know where I left them. So there it is. The material actually matches the A-pillars, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna do the purple right now. Once I get tired of looking at it like that, or once it starts getting dirty, maybe I'll change it. But because if I do it purple, then I gotta spray those pieces black, the A-pillars and that piece back there. Not gonna do it right now. All right guys, well, I came in and I delivered. I showed y'all what's really cracking, so now it's time for me to get the hell on. But make sure to like and subscribe, keep up with the channel, because I got a lot more really good videos coming. I'm gonna do the right way to do a sunroof install, the right way, not that overlap bullshit that these other guys be doing. I'll show you the right way. Now, I'm gonna do that, and also I'm planning on doing a tiny window install on the Ram, start to finish also, but the OEM look without the rubber, because it looks way better without the rubber and flush mounted. Sheesh. Olvídate. I already did one, and I'm gonna look for the pictures of it, because it looked really good, and it's the only one like that around. But I just do it for the fun, no cap. I'm not even gonna bullshit with you, and I'm not even gonna lie. And I hope other people watch this video, because I do it just to show y'all the right way to do it. All these other videos of sunroof installs and the headliners, trash. And yeah, you can tell them certified said that. It's all good. Show me something. Can't show me nothing. Been there, done that. But also, I'm gonna show you how to make custom fiberglass panels from scratch, and to where you can make them start to finish, full detail, no bullshit. What else? Well, guys, I think that's it. I'd like to stay and chat it up, but to be honest, it's cold as fuck, and I gotta get the hell on. I'm trying to get some sleep in too. You know what I mean?